Hello kids, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to make letter E. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. How will you make? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How will you make? Like this. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. Make yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4.